This is Friday night. First time I work back on Friday. Supposed to be it's my day off today, but it's kind of we're busy. We're busy this week for Christmas. So well, I'm working on Friday back again. No day off this week. And there's our live band is playing right now over here. Now there's nobody's here, but this is gonna be busy.
Y'all doing good?
Yeah. So this is gonna be busy soon.
Yeah.
All
We
right.
always try to figure out who we have
So
here.
it's for this Sharon. Hey, yeah. So after a long time actually, I'm working back on Friday. On Friday, we'll have day off this week. So, here's what it is. Tomorrow is Christmas. It is 6 o'clock exactly right now. So the happy hour is done. Our happy hour is 46 every day. And by the way, before I start, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Naked Mixology, and my IG, and then my Facebook page.
It's good to have you.
And thank you. Hey, another bullfrog? No bullfrog.
Just a little ball for you.
One more bullfrog?
Yes, I will.
One more? Okay. So I show you the beach right now. This is like at 6 o'clock, and the beach is really good. There's a beach right here. So this at 6 o'clock at the evening right now. This water. How nice is that, right? Yeah. So during the day, this beach is full of guests. It's busy. What I'm saying is busy. It's a season right now, right? And that's next door. That's the Moritza Tortuga Resort. And there's our resort, the Wandam over here. And there's a beach bar. That's the ambience at night. So that's what you can see at night. Nobody right now.
Searching for lost shades Some people think we're wasting away in margarita mill. Searching for my lost shades
Margaritaville. Sounds like you need a drip to go with that, right?
That's right.
Margaritaville.
Is that you?
The,
Oh, okay.
hey.
Yeah, give us a little ball for you. You all know this one. You know what happens in life, doesn't matter what happens, everything's gonna be alright. Cause tomorrow you're gonna get up. It's gonna be alright. Hey, we're singing, don't you worry about the thing. Cause everything is gonna be alright. Oh yeah, rise up this morning. Come and dance with me.
My puta, come puta.
Oh, dance.
Smile puta, come. Guys, this is Wyndham's #1 puta. Say hi.
Nice. Ay, 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 ay. So good, yes. If you should be getting up by the sunny place, if you should be walking up and down the ways, singing all of the body. Think about it, let it rock, bam, bam, bam. There's always that. song that we're gonna do right now. I don't know if you ever heard it before you went to another Caribbean island. It's a song where we talk about money. So, what I want you to imagine is that you have money in this pocket. You have money in this pocket. You have money in the back pocket. And right out front here, you have $1. Alright? Alright? That's it. That's the song, right? That's a little cent in the left pocket. 5 cents in the right. 10 cents in the back pocket. Save me all that side. Up front, run down the belt. I stick $1. Right now, if you like to learn, explain to her. Here we go. Cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar, cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar, all right.
I hope that's your cousin. I hope that's your cousin.
1, 2, 3, 4. $25.
Give yourselves a big round of applause.
Yeah, that's equivalent to $1.20.
It is the Santa Claus down here. Oh my goodness, they are gone already. It's over here. It's over here.
Christmas! We say, with the pop like wallet. Rewind, come on, my selector. Rewind, come on, brother people. Feliz Navidad. Yes, my idol. Yes. Yes, Marlene. Yeah. Hello, Merry Christmas to you all. Thank you for visiting the ride and wish to see you again. Merry Christmas. Come down the road for 2 miles. You have the bonfire. Come down and the fireworks.
Oh goodness. Over here, people is outside at the Wyndham. Fire truck is here. Anyway, hey, Merry Christmas, man. Hey, thank you, man. Thank you.
Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad. Feliz
Guys, for now let's go back. I still have a lot of guests in the bar, so this is fun. This Cayman Island. Hey, that's all about. Hey, that's Nikki.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. Hey, that's for now. I'll start closing now. So again, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Nikki Mixology, and then my Facebook page, and then my IG. And I thank you. Merry Christmas for everybody. Look at our Christmas tree. Over here. And that's Ray. I see you next time again. And thank you for watching. Have a good night. Have a good night, everyone.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.